Hello guys, welcome back to this new technology moment. There are many things that we could say about a security camera system. Here, I'll just show you today a few things that you should know about this Onwote camera system in order for you to make an informed decision in case that you're deciding to buy one of these camera combos. Comes very well packaged. It has actually everything that you need to put your system in place with the extraordinary advantage of IP cameras that you only need to connect the UTP cable and they'll be ready to be accessed from anywhere you want. First of all, and maybe the most important aspect, is that this NVR includes its own power over Ethernet switch, which means that you will not need to buy any additional networking hardware for your cameras to be powered. Very important. About this, let's remember that IP cameras are powered through the same networking cable using the power over Ethernet standard. Yes, they also include the possibility of being powered through a power adapter. By the way, most of them 12 volts DC. Their connectors include this networking LED that shows when there has been an active power over Ethernet connection or networking activity through the cable. Very useful when connecting, for example, cameras at the other end of your home. As it is usual, we tested the whole system on top of our desktop and then we took it to the cabinet that we were installing. This was the OnQ 32-inch panel on the wall before organizing it and installing the rack. This is the ongoing process, and here, once we finished the whole camera cabling and installation, we ended up installing more cameras than we initially thought. That is something that happens a lot. About the cameras, these cameras are 4K, 8 megapixel cameras. We like them very much. They do provide you with a high quality video. And very clear night vision, either color night vision assisted by these white LEDs on the side of each camera, or infrared assisted night vision. As you may have seen in our videos, the most important aspect when buying a security system is how you are going to be able to access your system, not only to check how things are going with live feeds, but also in the event that you need to watch a recording, the most important aspect. You can connect to this system or monitor in 4 different ways. First, directly to the system, of course, using a mouse and a directly connected screen. Second, the mobile app. Third, its web interface. And the fourth, the guard station program that you can install in any computer. All of them worked fantastic. I cannot show you much in these videos, but this is the quality that you can expect from these cameras. The NVR has worked flawlessly for more than 3 months now. Access through the app does not take more than a couple seconds, which is another aspect that you should always look for when buying a security system. Spotting events is also very easy and snappy. This particular model of cameras that is included in this combo is vandal proof. Their build is very tough. If you have only one cable for one particular spot where you need 2 cameras, and like us ended up installing many more cameras than you initially thought, you're always going to be able to use one of these devices that are not only going to branch the power over Ethernet input, but also are going to be able to act as a data switch. You can get it in 2 or 3-way models. We really hope that this very short video was as informative as intended. See you in another technology moment. Bye.